Hi, good morning, good afternoon. Today we are going to unbox the extra hard drive that we are going to put on into our computer tomorrow. And then, by the way, we have OMEN 45L. It's an HP PC computer. And it's, according to BN, it's the latest, greatest computer in the market as of the moment. But it is just have 64 gigabyte, so we will make it 128. So this is the extra gigabyte that we bought from B&H. So we are going to unbox this one. We are going to open this. So this one, because we will put this one tomorrow, so you can see what is extra, or you can see the additional RAM that we bought. So B&H, from B&H, and then we have this one. So it is a Viper gaming, Viper 64 gigabyte, and we're going to put that one in our computer, and we will see how the speed, because in our computer as of the moment, the B&H has kind of mismatch of our order. So they put 64 and 132, and that comes with our computer, that comes 96 gigabyte. So it's kind of a mismatch. So now we are going to put this one again, so it will become 128 gigabyte. So this is it. This is our additional RAM for our OMEN 45L PC made by HP computer.